Welcome everybody to another video, and we're off on another journey, and this time I have an upgrade. Welcome everybody to another base camp adventure. So we've gone all the way from where we live to York, and we're at the Riverfront Caravan Park, which is situated right on the River Ouse. Let's hope we have no flooding. So the pitch itself, we have electric hookup. We have direct water feed from tap to caravan. There is no grey water drain, so we are using our little tank. We have the usual security measures. The pitch is nice and level and flat. It's fantastic. However, we could have done with the bigger one, as we can't use our awning. As you can see, I am using my fantastic drone flying skills. See, great aerial shot there of the Swift Basecamp too. So the pitch itself, it caters for vans, motorhomes and caravans of all different sizes and shapes. This particular pitch where we were, well, the site isn't very big to be fair, has welfare facilities just at the back of us, and looking towards the front to the left, there is a restaurant, sort of a little hut that does food as well, and then you've got the river. Doesn't she look fantastic, the Swift Basecamp too? Should be a salesperson for him, shouldn't I? Food smells nice as well, doesn't it?
Going for dinner.
Well, it looks the business.
Bossons.
Bossons. You alright, my dear? So, what we got?
So you can have nibbles. So nibbles is orange and chilli infused olives, or harissa and rosemary smoked nuts, or you've got tomato focaccia, roasted garlic butter. Or to begin, we have whipped chicken liver pate, textures of beetroot with goat's cheese and chive mousse, celeriac soup with toasted hazelnuts, tomato focaccia and garlic bread, crab crumpet with fresh crab, crab butter, lime and apple jelly, calamansi gel and chive emulsion.
Should we just go for mains? And a pudding.
I was thinking that, yeah. So mains, we've got thyme infused chicken, chorizo champ, serrano ham crisp, chorizo infused roasted carrot.
Oh, they got
That
your
sounds
hake.
quite
They got your hake.
Oven baked haked, yeah, fragrant herb crumb, red pepper, roasted leeks, and a bouillabaisse sauce, whatever the bouillabaisse. I bet that's got either hollandaise or mayonnaise. Cheers.
Cheers. Nice pint of Guinness. How's your wine there?
Very nice.
Pinot Grigio? Pinot Grigio. So dear, what have you got?
I've got the Riverfront martini.
And I've got, what's that one? The blood orange
Margarita.
margarita.
Oh,
And a wonderful pint of Guinness.
cheers.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
It's got foliage in this. It's got flowers.
And there's straws. Use the straws.
Yeah, use the straws. Now we've got some really posh food there, haven't we, dear?
Yes. There you go, if you want some veg.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Muchas gracias. So we've got some beef dripping battered chips and chicken, and my wife has hake.
I do. With some...
So the good news is my wife has decided to pay the bill. Happy days. So dear, out of 10 for the meal?
Oh, 10 out of 10, definitely. The hake was done to perfection.
And my chicken was absolutely fantastic. Clear plate.
And can I say thank you to the staff, the restaurant, the chef for adhering to my cream and sauce allergy and not creating an issue out of it and just making sure that in alignment.
Yes. So,
Right. So the restaurant, absolutely perfect. I cannot tolerate any creams or sauces, and I've got to admit they were fantastic. I thought I was going to have to just order, like a side order, a bowl of fries, but they were really brilliant. They turned around and accommodated me with a proper meal. They not only checked once, twice, 3 times, but they also checked 4 times to make sure that what was going to be on my plate I was able to tolerate. So for those with food allergies, I totally recommend this site. I totally recommend this restaurant. They went out of their way, make sure everything was perfect. I was not going to have an allergic reaction to anything at all that they served me. I would totally recommend this. It was 10 out of 10 service, 10 out of 10 food, and yeah, couldn't express my gratitude enough to say thank you for doing that.
Service absolutely 100%. We'd have to we paid the service charge, didn't we, dear?
We paid the service charge.
So
we didn't mind doing that because they deserved it. And yeah, we left a perfect TripAdvisor review as well. So check out TripAdvisor as well. But yeah, if you have any food allergies, vegan, vegetarian, anything like that, please don't hesitate to ask the staff for specifics on your meal, because they go way above their job role and make sure they accommodate you, okay? And there's no inconvenience to them whatsoever.
So shout out to the staff. So
Yeah.
we had Alex,
We had Charlotte, and we had Kayla. So thank you guys, totally appreciate it. And thank you for the chef who accommodated my really restrictive dietary need. But thank you so much for doing that, and thank you for all his team for doing that as well. Really 100% appreciate that, totally. Thank you.
and that's Bosun's Restaurant.
Yes. Bosun's Restaurant at Riverside Park, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And in York, absolutely fantastic. Totally recommend it. Prices are, reasonable. What you would expect nowadays, because obviously, everything's gone up. They have overheads to cover, so they have to accommodate that as well. But there's no restriction on quality at all.
So big thumbs up from us.
Huge.
It's a wide beam. So that's basically double the width of your narrowboat.